In this video, I'll show you how to clone yourself in DaVinci Resolve. First, make sure you have two clips placed in the timeline. To achieve this effect, both clips should be recorded with the same camera angle and framing, without any camera movement. In my example, the first clip shows a person walking up to a bench, and the second clip shows the same person already sitting on the bench. To begin, right-click in the track panel of the timeline and select Add Track. This will create an additional video layer. The background clip, usually the one with motion, should be placed on the bottom track. Then, position the second clip above it on the newly created track. Now, move to the Fusion tab. Click on the Media In node, then press Shift+Space on your keyboard and search for Magic Mask. Select it and click Add. Once added, go to the Inspector panel and set the mode to Better. Next, draw a rough mask around your subject. DaVinci Resolve will automatically cut out the selected area. If there are any unwanted parts included in the mask, change the stroke mode to Subtract, then draw a line over the unwanted areas to remove them. Once the mask is set, click on the Track Forward and Reverse button. DaVinci Resolve will track your subject automatically throughout the entire video. The tracking process may take some time depending on your computer's performance. When the tracking is complete, go back to the Edit panel and play the video. You will now see the clone effect, where one version of the subject is sitting on the bench while the other walks towards it. That's how you can clone yourself in DaVinci Resolve.